Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to change the battery of your Ford Explorer 2018 or 2019 model. And of course, welcome to Maverick channel. What you do is you just push this little knob here down to take out your key, and then you can either use the key itself that you just took out, or you can use a flathead screwdriver to pry this open right here. Very easy. Once you open that, it is very easy to take your battery out. It has these two little knobs. All you do is you push them back, and then your battery would lift up, and then you can just easily remove it. Of course, it uses a CR2450 3-volt battery, as you can see. And that's simply how you replace or exchange your battery. And to replace the cover, all you do is just slide it in, just like you took it out, and then push hard on it, and it snaps back in really tight and neatly. Let me see here. Okay, yep. And of course, don't forget to replace your key, and there you go. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, leave a comment below. I'll see you on the next one.